Good morning. This is the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Tuesday, June 18th. On the impact map, we have some showers, cool temperatures, and even snow showers on the peaks up in the mountains of central Idaho, sliding into western Wyoming, further south, gradual clearing. Dashed line you see here along and south of this line is where, in general, for the lower and middle elevations, fuels are deemed critical. We'll be watching increasing breezes, about 15 to 25 miles per hour, both Wednesday and Thursday down south below high risk or red flag criteria. The humidity on Thursday will be picking up as a piece of moisture breaks off from Arizona and goes into parts of eastern Utah with scattered showers and thunderstorms late in the day. Just some isolated lightning up north. You can see the 24-hour precipitation, spotty stuff here across Utah. A lot of this was aloft, but there was some heavier stuff here, quarter inch or more up in some portions of the Idaho mountains, even sliding into parts of northern Nevada. Lots of new fire starts in the last 24 hours. Yesterday was a windy, dry day, and a couple of these larger red circles are larger fires, a few hundred acres in size. Some existing larger fires here in the bigger open circles. And it has been dry over the past 7 days and even over the past 2 weeks in many areas of Utah, Nevada. It has been wetter as you head further to the north, and the ERCs reflect that. A lot of ERCs pushing the 80th, 90th, even 97th percentiles, where you see the reds, dark reds, and purples, and also drying out into parts of southern Nevada. But you go further north, and you see the ERCs definitely significantly more moist, and you can see that in the 100-hour fuels. The dark gold areas is where they are in the upper single digits. And then the red areas here, even in the 5% or more range on the 100-hour fuel. So things have been drying out. We are under a broad trough of low pressure. Low pressure means cool temperatures, and we are unseasonably cool, maybe 20 to 30 degrees below normal in a lot of areas, but drier weather pushing in. You can see the 7-day on the right. We have no high risk. Most critical areas, brown in the far south. The humidities will be dry all across Nevada, single digits near 10%, also near 10% across a good portion of Utah, except once you get to far northern Utah, it gets into the upper teens, then even higher as you head further north. Winds overall not too bad, mostly light in most areas. Now the upper level winds get a little breezier here on Wednesday at the tongue of dry air. A little bit of moisture up here. We'll see if we get an isolated shower or not. No significant changes on the 7-day. The humidity, same story, driest in the south. And starting to dry out in Idaho too, in the low to mid-teens across the Snake River Plain. But we'll see some of these darker green areas here. So we'll see some winds in the 10 to 20 mile an hour range possibly. So keep an eye on that, especially for existing fires. And then the trough low pressure continues to carve out here. So temperatures, they'll moderate a little bit, but still not quite near summertime warmth, increasing winds. But you see this darker shade here and also a little blip of green. Increasing mid to upper level moisture is what we're expecting. You see portions of eastern Utah go green. We are expecting some showers popping up across those areas later on in the day, Thursday. You can see the humidity, instead of single digits, near 20% in southeast Utah, but drier further to the west. See some of those winds increasing, but some of these purple areas are outflow winds from nearby thunderstorms. You see the temperature change for today. 69 degrees in Salt Lake, going up to 91 by Thursday. So everyone is expecting a 12 to 25 degree warm-up back to normal levels as we go next couple of days. Now, 3-day precipitation totals, most of this will be coming in on Thursday across eastern Utah. Widespread areas, a lot of areas, 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain. They'll take the edge off of some of the fires for a few days. And on Friday, some lingering moisture and showers going up into northeastern Utah. Also, another disturbance may be with some showers across Idaho. And then we dry out as we go into Saturday. And high pressure slowly starts building back in. So temperatures warming a degree or two each day. Some breezes through here, but no critical issues as we go into the weekend and early next week. 7-day precip totals, most of this will be Thursday into Friday. And the 8 to 14-day outlook shows mostly above normal temperatures in southern areas, maybe near normal up in Idaho, but an overall drier than normal signal through the period. This concludes our briefing. Have a great day.